how to convert video to MP3 files. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily convert video to MP3 file. So first, just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for MP3 to video converter, just like this. And once you search in for that, just download any one of these. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it, and just open the application from over here. Now simply select the video option from your gallery to upload it. So I'll simply choose any one of these, and before you start change, just tap on this ACC option over here, and since we want it to convert to MP3, just select MP3 from over here and just click on change. If you want a different location with a different directory, and just provide your file name. So I'll simply provide my sample audio file to give it a name, just like this, and click on done and click on convert, just like this. And as you can see, my video has been successfully converted into MP3 version in the designated directory. So I can simply play it just like this using any one of these music player. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.